good show coming. We got a good show coming.
I know.
Yeah, keep it up, man. We got a good show. We got a good show coming. We got a good show.
Hey, we're recording.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys.
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, don't forget that.
Take two.
Yeah. All right. Come on. We got a good show coming.
Yeah, I know.
Come on. It's a good show.
I'll get
It's a
it.
good show. Come on. We got this. We got this.
Hey.
We got this.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey, welcome back to the channel.
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all those social media places.
So, you actually got a message this week from a fellow YouTuber.
I did.
What did he have to ask?
Well, so our fellow YouTuber and friend of mine over at Flash Focus sent me a message this week, and he said, hey, let's go to the garage. I don't have a garage. How do I play at home? Or is that not recommended? Well, that got us thinking. It's totally recommended. You just got to figure out what you've got to work with. So,
That's utilizing every square foot that you've got to just make it work.
yeah, so we looked. We have a workbench in the kitchen.
It's a good solid surface, solid foundation.
It's typically in your kitchen.
So you got AC, you got cold drinks.
Yeah, so here you go. Here's a workbench.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Oh, yeah. We're going to have to... I think maybe we only need 2 screws. What do you think?
She's good enough.
It's a little loose. That ought to work. There we go. Put it back in our workbench. Great. Yep. Perfect. You know what, Jake? I think we're going to need some tie downs.
Go get the tie downs.
You hold that.
I got the
tie
bite.
downs. Well, apparently all my tie downs are in my other kitchen. Bungee cords. We got some good old fashioned bungee cords here. That's what will work right now, I think. Here. Take it down here. Yeah, just put that on the Oh, you okay?
Yeah,
Things are getting a little crazy.
there's no lip over there.
Oh, you know what I found? You just
Got it.
got it. You got it.
Got it.
So there you go. So basically, what you got now is a really nice motorcycle workbench, right?
You do all your maintenance stuff here. You can change the oil, check the spark plugs.
As a matter of fact, that's what
Change
we're
the
gonna do.
tires.
We're gonna change the oil, change the spark plugs. Well, clean the spark plugs, check them out, make sure they're good. But yeah, you've got a workbench now. Yes, it might be in your kitchen, but hey, if air conditioned or heated, and quite honestly, I'm not sweating or cold. Where'd our drip pan go? Oh, our drip pan's over here. I figured I'd just use one of Tristan's cookie sheets. Hey! And look at all this room we've got.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Good solid surface.
Let's see here. It's pretty close. We'll use it. The right one. There it is. So, you just reach into the drawer and grab a hand towel. Boy, that thing was low on oil. Wow. But, as you can see, oil's drained out. Since we're going to let that drip, we'll go ahead and check that spark plug. Wow, that looks like a brand new plug. I don't even know if I'm going to do anything with it, Jace.
Let's give it a good wipe down.
Yeah. It looks like it's got another.
Why don't you lick it and check it for spark? Just like rock candy.
I'd say 10W40, but I can't tell quite exactly what vintage. So we're good on that. The oil's almost drained, so we're about ready to fill it back up. That doesn't go on there very well, does it? That one. Plug this thing back up in here. Probably need to get a new cap here soon. There we go. All right, now that we've got the oil drained out, we go ahead and put the plug back in. But, you know, pro tip, you always want to check your bolt here. Make sure there's nothing on it, you know, before you put it back in the hole. Make sure you clean up around the hole a little bit. Nobody likes a dirty motorcycle. We'll just screw that back in there like that. And tighten the plug up. You always want to make sure you put the plug in before you put in new oil. Usually helps so that the oil doesn't just run straight through the motor and back out into your dirty oil. So now that we've got that done, we can grab our small jug of oil right here, come around to that side. Now, it's not going to take all this oil, but well, that's tight. We're going to have to go to the toolbox. That one will do. I'm just going to crack this off of there. Hopefully not break it. There we go.
That's too bad. It would have been hilarious had it broke.
Yeah, it says it's low, but that makes sense. We just drained it. Yeah, basically we just did a complete oil change with the tools that we had available, you know, including our island. I mean, I don't know about you, man, but It's way better doing it in the front yard, you know.
Get less sweaty that way.
Yeah, so there you go. Clean up, you know. All we got to do now is dispose of this oil properly, which means not dumping it in the backyard. You know, take it down to your local auto parts store. Most of them usually do free fluid oils and other automotive drainage stuff.
Let's take this outside and start it up.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
All right, Jeremy, I'm gonna get this thing started up. Let's see how she runs. This thing sounds brand new. That oil change did the trick.
Okay.
That thing running like brand new.
Man, that thing sounds good. Yeah, I could have swore we put the pipes on that thing.
Yeah, that thing sounded
It's
amazing.
amazing what a little Castrol 10W40 will do for an old Honda dirt bike.
Yeah,
it sounds good.
sound bad, man.
Yeah. That's gonna look nice. Perfect. I think that's enough water.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's good.
All right. Well, so after you.
All right. So we appreciate you guys joining us for part one here.
Part one. That was
Basically the tip of the iceberg for what you can do on your kitchen island.
yeah. So coming up in part two, wood projects.
Yeah. Come and join us.
Yeah. Stay tuned.